So, hello, good morning, and welcome to my channel. First, I would like to send a soft shout out to the Prince and Queen Elizabeth II of his passing today. My heart goes out to him and their family. Now let's begin. So, I'm single. I've been single for quite some time. And I always want to go out to these fancy restaurants and eat these fancy foods. But I'm like, who wants to do that solo? So I decided to create a cookbook called Single Served. And I feel that that's for anyone and everyone, not just those that want to eat fancy, but those that just want to create fancy meals on a shoestring budget like myself. So today I'm having my tea and my sandwiches. I did my research online and I figured out how to pretty much serve tea for two or tea for one. So I'm starting off with my youthberry tea, which is one of my favorites from Tavana Teas. And I'm going to make today my first cucumber tea sandwich. So I got the Philadelphia cream cheese. It has chives in it. So let me just open that up. That looks delightful. Okay, so let's see. So I got some Hawaiian style bread. Most of the French in Paris and all these beautiful places around the world, they use potato bread or they use good old fashioned loaf bread, but I decided to use a style of Hawaiian bread because it's naturally sweet and it's so amazing. And you could put it on anything, not just tea sandwiches, but regular ham and cheese sandwiches, which I do all the time before I go to work. I make my lunch. I even put a big pork chop sandwich together with the Hawaiian bread. So, but today I'm going to make it a little more Parisian and with full royalty. So that looks amazing. So once I spread these over it, I have a nice little French music in the background, a little town in Paris, which New York is pretty much becoming in a sense because of all our outdoor restaurants, which is even more so. I walk by and I'm like, I want to eat there so bad. I mean, I could save up for it, but I could bring my wealth indoors, meaning like cooking the most expensive, making the most expensive foods right inside my boudoir. So I'm placing these cucumbers on here. I love cucumbers, and a tomato on each. So that's that. Just place it down a little bit. Okay, and get rid of our Philadelphia cream cheese, the best in the business. Okay. Now, got my little doilies with my tea. Let me just pour a glass for myself. And I don't know if most people are like me, I'm weird, but when you have a shoestring type of budget, me, basically put together whatever I have in my boudoir. So instead of me using regular honey or regular white sugar or sweet and low, half and half, I just use agave. It's 100% organic, it's healthy, and you can't even taste the difference. So that's my tea. Let it read for a little while. And that's it. Clean that little mess up right there. So here you have it. my tea and sandwiches for a single woman as myself. So I would like you to like my channel, subscribe, like the video. I have more coming. This was kind of like my test run, just to see how it would go. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you again soon. Be well, stay well, and God bless you. Bye-bye.